Welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further videos notification. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Today's my video's topic is how we can make the dart on backside of our kurti, shirt or a suit. So it is very necessary to give a beautiful and a perfect fitting to our kurti. It's very important in such cases. So for the dart we have to do is, firstly we have to mark the center point of our shirt. Then we take 10" from our shoulder point, mark 10" from the shoulder point. Now you have to mark the center point first. For the center of your kurti, just measure from end to end and then divide it into half. It could be the center over here. Now mark it over here and make a straight line. So just give a straight line over here for the reference that it's our center. Now from the center we have to take 3.5" on both sides. Now from the marking we will mark 8" of length of our dart. On other side we have to do the same. Now mark 3.5 on both sides. It's a gap over here in between darts. Now join these points and make a straight line and mark in the mid of this straight line. After marking we will mark 1/2 inch on both sides. Now we will match these points to the main point. We have to match these points to the center line. You can use scale, tape, or roughly you can do that. Because it's very helpful for our fitting. Now repeat the same on the other side. You can do with a free hand, or you can use scale and you can use tape, whatever you want, in which you are very comfortable you can use that. Now our marking point is completed. Once I will go through, we have to take 10" from the top. Now we will take the length of our dart is 8" and divide it into half. Make a line over here for the 1" and match these points. So our marking point is completed. Now we are going to stitch it over here. Just pick the points from end to end like this. You have to hold it like this, and now we're going to stitch. Just start stitching from one end, lock the stitch over here, now make the line on this line, make a stitch on this line. So our stitching is finished over here, and lock the stitch and cut the extra thread. So it would be look like this. Now we will do the same on the other side. It's hardly take 5 to 7 minutes to make this dart, but these darts give a better or a perfect finishing from the back side to your kurti, to your shirt and tops also. If they are little bit loose to you, you can do this for the fitting also, and give a perfect finishing to your shirt and a kurti. You can do the double seam over here if you want it out. So our dart line is completed over here. So it would be look like this after doing all this stitching. After pressing, it would be very clean, and in this printed fabric it's not visible easily, but these darts are very finished over here. So guys, if you like my video, then please give me a big thumbs up or subscribe my channel if you didn't yet, and share my videos with your family and friend. If you have any queries, any suggestions, then please write it down in a comment section. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Thank you so much for watching my videos.